Welcome back. In this video we are going to see how you can deploy Grafana on Minikube. So we can use this YAML file, and basically what I'm going to do is copy it and create a Grafana.yaml. Here what I will do is paste it and save it, and use the kubectl apply -f Grafana. What? Load balancer Great. And if you shoot the kubectl get all, we can see that the pod is in container creating state. So basically now it's creating the Grafana container, and once it is created we should be able to use this IP address to log in. Grafana is using the port 3000, and we have to use the default usernames and passwords to log in. Now it's running, so let's go here with the 3000 port, and as you can see we have our Grafana. I'm using admin, and the new password is going to be super complex, and there we go. Now in a matter of seconds we have a Grafana instance up and running. So technically that's it, and what's special about this Grafana instance is that it has a persistent volume claim, meaning that it is going to use or reuse that storage. And where is it? Volume mount var lib Grafana, and if I issue the ls-l, come on, var lib Grafana, maybe the sudo, I should be able to find it here once it starts creating files which need to be saved. So this is how you can use Grafana. See you in the next one.